tutorial on HTML, and in this one I want to start just going over different types of tags or attributes. Okay, so I'll put comments in here for you, right? So the first one we have here is the abbreviation tag. Okay, so here's a paragraph, and in here I'm putting abbreviation. Title is the World Health Organization, WHO. Okay, that's the abbreviation, and there when it was spelled, it's done it close, right? The next one is the accept tag, and this tells what action. Now action is just, this is PHP, okay, but it's just telling the file has been told here what to accept. It can be text, it can be an image, it can be whatever, okay, and then you submit it. So this accept is important here. And this one here is the address one. So what I did was I just made a link, and a bit of stupid old one in here to Google. It's hard to put my own email address in there with mail too. And I just gave it an address here like that, and this should come up in the address form. So if we go and look at that here, right, this is what you will get. The browse, no file selected, to submit, we have that. Okay, let me just refresh that. I want to show you something else. Now, WHO was founded in 1948, and you see the lines underneath it, the dots, and up will come W Health Organization, right? So that's your abbreviation there. Then we have the action one, and this is telling them what file to accept. And if we were to browse this and try to put in a text file, it wouldn't allow us. And there's no point with trying it because I haven't got action underscore PHP or map open at the minute, so we won't go through that one. But trust me, guys, that works. And here's the last one, written by Code Matters, and there's the address. You see, simple enough. Okay, so we'll go over a few more. So go through these ones yourselves. Put in different silly little things and just get them into your head and start learning them. Alright, take care guys, bye bye.